The Partnership for National Unity will resist efforts to split the opposition bloc and instead aim to cooperate with the government and other opposition parties to further reforms. Dr. Terrence Campbell, who was chosen to lead the APNU's 12-member team at the parliamentary level, made these staunch remarks.
We are going to Parliament to push forward an agenda of national development, which will benefit the people if it's embraced, that the people of the country will know exactly what was our role in getting it done, bringing relief to them, bringing development and not just growth to them.
Speaking on the Nation Watch program, Dr. Terrence Campbell cautioned that overcoming the ruling People's Progressive Party Civic's attempts to take advantage of divisions would require unity among opposition parties.
One of the things that I intend to push hard for is a change in approach in this 13th Parliament, at least from the APNU parliamentarians. And you will see those parliamentarians working, and work has already started.
He noted that the significant change of Guyana's political system of proportional representation has resulted in members of parliament not serving the citizenry as they should. According to Campbell, it is expected that every APNU member of parliament will be productive in every community in preparation for the upcoming local government elections slated next year.
The APNU is a national party, and there is no place that we will be limited to geographically. We will campaign from coast to coast.
Dr. Campbell stated that all Guyanese, not just party members, would benefit from the opposition's 12 MPs who should be viewed as the bastion for change.
I will use this opportunity to bring some change into how the parliamentary delegation operates and deliver, not only for those who voted for us, but for all of the people of Guyana.
He said his mantra would be inclusionary politics, economic development, and legislative changes. Antonio Day reporting for the HGP Nightly News.